how you can fix the photo widget not showing any content. Now, this is a really common problem, so I'll teach you guys how to fix that. So the first step is just go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, you will need to scroll down till you find photos. So let's just do that, and there it is. So just go to photos now and scroll down. Now here you will see different buttons, so make sure that you've turned on all of these. So make sure that you've turned on shared albums, turned on show hidden albums, just turned on autoplay videos and live photos, and so on. The main feature that we want to activate is the show featured content. So just toggle this button on, and after you've done that, your problem is basically fixed. Now all you need to do is just check your widget again and it will have photos on it. So that is how you fix this problem, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.